Hello and welcome back, and we still have there's probably at least a kilo of coins there. So let's look at the tally of what I've got so far. So I've got, these are the American coins and North and South. As you can see, it's quite a lot. Pacific, wow. So I couldn't take this to the bank, but that's quite a lot of Pacific. A lot of Papua New Guinea and Fiji, quite a lot. There's Europe and Africa. That's a pretty small bag. But Asia, God, can I zoom out? Okay. There's the Asian one. Oh, look, and on to the second bag I've got here. Oh, I'd say at least half of them from Asia. So, let me just I'll throw some coins out. Woo! Beautiful. Oh, look, so good. Twist, bro. Twist. And so, here's most of these coins, the silver color. So they're either a nickel-plated steel or they're like this Hong Kong coin. Copper nickel. Looks a bit like higher content of nickel in it, but this one's only worth face value $1 Hong Kong dollar, and a coin you don't get too often. So this is a Brazilian coin. First issue, and they issued them in steel because they weren't sure if the actual currency was going to be stable, because during the pretty much 90s they had hyperinflation. This is an error coin, pretty much. You can see looks like it's in K, so probably a smaller planche that's been spread out with and here we have a card. The die's been damaged, and also with a partial going on this coin. And if you turn over this side, yeah, someone's put sticky tape on that. Yeah, you can see the sticky tape is coming off. So, yeah, but I don't think there's any errors on that side. That's an error coin, but that's nice. Okay, and that's going to be spent in Hong Kong. Let's see if we can get all the coins back together. So you just grab them all together. So once again, we've got quite a lot of Chinese coins. Got one. We have one jar coins in circulation. Although they did issue a new series, these are really not worth. And yeah, I think that's all the Chinese coins there are. So that's it. They're not really. Also, once again, we have quite a few Singapore coins. So Singapore. So wherever they is the place that these people went. This one's quite a high grade. $1. So all the $1 in this collection from Singapore. Really not seen that much circulation. Would have gone to these places, kept these coins, and a lot of the older Singapore coins are well circulated. So yeah, find out how much these high grade Singapore coins are. Okay, let's get rid of the Thai coins once again. The only good thing you can do is these coins is put them in a lot, like resell them. Or if you're going to Thailand, what I like spend them myself. Okay, is there any other Asian countries? Yeah, It's a Malaysian 10 cent. The Indian coin, 50 paisa. I don't use these anymore. Worth about 1 cent. Okay, got United Arab Emirates again, 2004, 2002, same as the other one. So there's a nickel plated steel. And another Indian. So this is the copper nickel coin. The off center, which is not really that hard. But it's also, you can see the lines on it, probably a grease strike as well. And yeah, it's a copper nickel coin. They currently use a brass coin. So see these in circulation really, and that's security reading. Look at that. That's an error coin as well. We'll keep that. Okay, let's have a look. I've got some more Chinese coins. I've got some more Malay rupees, 2005. So they do issue a smaller Filipino, previous series 1 pesos. And Singapore 1 cent coin. Got Singapore 5 cent coin. So these are similar in size. So these are trees. So I've got plants on them. And copper plated steel, aluminium bronze. And these are still, they took the 1 cent out of circulation, but 5 cent you can still spend in Singapore. Got Fiji 10 cent. Alright, so these are all pretty much just not that much value. It's a nice animal, cuscus. So Australia does have cuscus animals, but they live in Queensland. I actually currently reside, which is a bit sad for me. So, and this is from Papua New Guinea, 2000. Okay, here's a current coin from Fiji. I like looks like a parrotfish. 13. So I think last year Fiji coins is 2014. So that should be quite common. Another common coin, 20. First year of issue worth 20 cents. Fiji coin from 2009. Another 20 cents from New Zealand. So these are pretty much face values, 2014. Another 20 cent. My friend. And I've become a billionaire. So really, all these are pretty much face value. Damn. Don't have any Canadian coins. That's a bit strange. Another US 1 cent. And that's 2015. 5 cents. So this one has the Thomas Jefferson, so the older effigy, which is better than the actual current one they use. Okay, and this is Monticello. His monument, or is it his place of residence? I can't. We have 2 coins of South Africa. So we have the current coat of arms, 2003, 2000. And sorry, I'm looking for errors. And as you can see, they have indigenous languages on them. Nation changes the language. So 20 cent and aid to land. You notice that rand is always singular, so 2 rand, not 2 rands. And 20 cents is plural. So that's something that I just really noticed. Rand coin from South Africa. So South African Reserve. Where's the wildebeest? That's it. This is quite a nice coin. 2007. Just one indigenous. Is it? Africa? But obviously quite related because they go border. So they have something like that. Okay. And Italian 200 lira. So this is probably worth $1 or $2. Coin. So not too sure what it represents. Probably Euro. Oh, FAO. There you go. And there's a woman on there commemorative 200 lira. 20 cents. So it's a nice coin. You can get better condition. And we have some UK coins. So pence, because look at the condition. That is, yeah, it's got bronze disease on it. 2014 nickel plated steel. Another 5 pence, 2012. Yep. And yeah, Britain, not really worth much of an error. Okay, Russia, 10 rubles. See, I got a few 10 ruble coins, and this one it has card here. That's what I mean. Just look at each coin. Minor errors like that. It's only a minor error, but I've never seen a Russian error coin before. And then we have two German 1 cent, 2010 and 13. I think it's Stuttgart and Munich with a oak. And yep, 1 cent. Tone. So this is copper plated steel. Not really worth that much over face value. Then Brazilian 10 centavos. 2012 current coin worth about 2 cents, I think. Yeah. And he's lost his nose, but that's just because of circulation. These are pretty high relief. And then we have a Indonesian 1,000 rupiah. As far as I know, these are only worth about 10 cents. 500 rupiah. I don't think these are in circulation. But still. Then we have Japanese and yen. Pretty common coin. Another Singapore coin, as you can see there. And Japanese 100 yen. First issued in 1967. So this one's the 10, so it's about 1999. And here we have another euro coin. So this is an Italian. No, 10 cents, sorry. That's quite a nice coin. Not really worth much. 2002 first. Here's a princess in there. Maybe Gongjibi. But the last one I kept for last. One hasn't been in circulation for about 50 years. Actually longer. So 1895. But not the smallest coin UK issue, but it's actually probably the smallest in circulation in England at the time. Condition. And has Queen Victoria. Quite a nice coin, pity about the damage around the ear. Or maybe she's just got a better earring. Anyway, $10 in itself. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. As far as I know, I'm not going to keep any. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.